Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss The Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Scorpio, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for October 1 to 15, 2023. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. And also, thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, Scorpio, what up? Update. Eight of Swords. A lot of overthinking, Scorpio. Pwedeng nagpapa-apekto kayo sa sinasabi ng iba. Kaya parang meron kayong gustong gawin, hindi nyo magawa. Kasi iniisip nyo yung sinasabi ng iba. You also have the Devil card. This is, it seems like there's a big limitation sa'yo. Let's see what else. Three of Wands. Exploring something. Parang meron kang gustong explore, but you're not getting it because you are afraid. May takot. Some of you are afraid of getting out of your comfort zone. Lalo na kung alam mo yun, kung stable na kasi yung situation mo, tapos pero may feeling na parang wala nang challenge, so naiisip mo na gusto mo ng bago, pero natatakot ka rin na sumubok ng bago, 'di ba? So paano paano mag-grow, 'di ba? So if you have that idea, why not try to explore it? What is the Eight of Swords? Ten of Swords. Ang dami niyong ino-overthink, Scorpio. Some of you are in a toxic situation, toxic relationship, toxic career. Hindi kayo makaalis kasi pwedeng may nakabantay. Halimbawa, alis ka sa trabaho na yan. Toxic na toxic ka na sa trabaho, tapos ikukwento mo sa parents mo or sa jowa mo or sa kaibigan mo, and then they will tell you na napakaswerte mo na nga na meron kang ganyan, ganyan. Tapos aalis ka pa. But it's really affecting your mental health. I feel like it's really toxic for you. Kailangan mo yung paglabanan. Kasi how are you going to see other opportunities or experience ibang opportunity kung ililimit mo lang yung sarili mo? Three of Wands. Yes, it's time for you to get out of this toxicity. You are meant to expand, to explore new horizon. Yung iba sa inyo tinatakot mag-abroad. Yung tipong merong opportunities abroad, pero pwedeng yung parents, yung jowa mo, pumipigil sa'yo. What is the Three of Wands? King of Cups. I feel like you're going to experience fulfillment dito sa pag-explore mo ng ibang opportunities. Whatever this is. Career man yan, project mo, business. So, sa iyong finances, maging matipid. I think magtitipid ka ngayon sa finances mo. Hindi ka masyadong gagastos. Some of you, magtatanggal ng credit card. Oo. Ayaw nyo na mag-credit card. And then, some of you are also good at promotions. Pwedeng na ang career ninyo nasa marketing, nasa social media. And there's also an exciting idea na pwede mong gawin, subukan sa business, sa trabaho, or anything na opportunity for you to earn money outside of your current job. Okay? So, let's see pa. The High Priestess. I feel like meron kang mga isi-share na knowledge and skills mo. Pwede kang mag-teacher, ganyan, or trainer. You have the, dalawang, devil card, I feel like you're being presented with a lot of opportunities, a lot of choices sa trabaho, sa career mo. With the High Priestess here, you really need to connect with your instinct, your intuition, kasi ito yung magsasabi sa'yo ng best for you. Okay? Ang intuition ng instinct, it's, wala siyang certain explanation, you just know. You just know that that's good for you. Ganon. Parang someone might be tempting you. Okay? Halimbawa sa trabaho, ayaw nila na umalis ka, mag-resign. Kasi halimbawa ikaw yung nagpaplano na mag-resign na umalis kasi may nakita kang better opportunity sa ibang bansa, sa ibang kumpanya, or gusto mong mag-business. And some of the people there sa current job mo, toxic, no? Tapos, ititempt ka nila or parang they will try to discourage you sa mga plano mo. Pipresentahan ka ng ibang mga options. Pero there's something that you need to explore sa career mo na wala sa current situation mo. Na kung saan dun ka mas magiging progressive, may improvement, may growth. Okay? So, sa love naman, may nananabotahe sa relationship. So, pwedeng meron ditong hindi naging honest sa relationship mo. Pero, binigyan mo pa rin ng chance. Pwedeng nagkaroon kayo ng malalim na pag-uusap. Pwedeng hindi mo napapansin yung needs niya or hindi niya napapansin yung needs mo. Kaya parang pareho na kayo ang sumasabotahe sa relationship ninyo para hindi na mag-work out. But it seems na nagbigay kayo ng oras at panahon sa isa't isa na mag-usap at may chance. Four of Swords, you are healing. Seven of Pentacles. Yes. A lot of expectations. The Hanged Man. I feel like, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng, cool off. Alam niyo yan, tipong may break muna. Trying to figure things out. Pag-iisipan niyo muna yung relationship ninyo. But I think eventually, pag, naayos nyo, pwede tong, magkabalikan. Pwedeng magkabalikan. But, kung itong relationship na to is nabigyan nyo na ng chance ng maraming beses, hindi lang isa, okay? It seems na posible na ito ay mauwi sa ending. Yung tipong magkalabuan na lang, tapos wala ka nang alam kung anong nangyayari. And then eventually, you'll end up separating. The how is in the now. What has Your intuition been trying to tell you. See, ito yung sinasabi natin sa inyo kanina. Your instinct, your intuition is telling you what to do. Connect on your instinct. Connect with your instinct. Okay? So that is your reading, Scorpio. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Scorpio. See you again.